Today we'll be discussing the amazing new partnership we have with Visa to greatly enhance the disputes management process. Introducing the Visa Disputes Content Pack, which leverages questionnaires and mappings to ensure proper categorization and processing of disputes. The Visa Content Pack will consist of a questionnaire, disputes agents will work with customers to fill out, reason code mapping, which leverages the questionnaire to correctly categorize the type of dispute, and ultimately these two will determine chargeback eligibility from Visa. In the Washington release, we've built out thousands of these rules via decision trees, as you can see here in the back end. For example, when merchandise or services are not received, there are many different directions a dispute can go, based on the answers to the questionnaire. ServiceNow will maintain the annual changes to these rules internally, taking the onus off the banks to update these themselves. These disputes will all feed into Visa Resolve Online, or VROL, Visa's disputes platform. Accessing all this dispute information on ServiceNow will greatly improve our customers' abilities to successfully process disputes with Visa and in turn save money and time on improperly processed cases. Jumping into a demo, we have customer Brian Lara, who is raising a dispute to his bank about $1,200 of technology equipment he ordered and never received. Disputes agent Sam Gray pulls up his disputes workspace to create a case. He begins by entering initial case information like consumer name and branch location. Next, he enters the dispute's details, including the account being referenced, dispute amount, and type of dispute. You can see here the options include consumer disputes, fraud, authorization, or processing errors. Sam chooses consumer disputes for this case. The customer also lets him know that there are no supporting documents available. Based on these choices, the consumer disputes questionnaire populates on the next screen. With the help from the cardholder, the dispute agent will begin filling out all of these questions. Once the questionnaire is completed, ServiceNow populates the correct reason code for this type of dispute. As you can see here, it is categorized into reason code 13.1, merchandise/services not received. After this, we submit for investigation. In the last step of the content pack, we have the chargeback eligibility rules. The questionnaire and reason code mapping will inform whether or not the customer is eligible for a chargeback. If we click down here, under Currently in Dispute, we can see that there is no chargeback eligibility for this specific transaction at this time. In this field here, we see why that is. First, supporting documents are needed for a chargeback. Sam, our disputes agent, said no documents. And also the cardholder must attempt to resolve the dispute with the merchant before the issuer initiates a dispute. This is incredibly powerful for the dispute agent, not only to seamlessly understand why the chargeback is eligible or not, but it also eliminates a costly and unnecessary submission to VROL until after these issues are addressed. Thanks for watching our demo showcasing the power of the dispute content pack we've built out with Visa.